Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming exactly which SSD you have and picking a matching enclosure. SATA 2.5-inch drives differ from M.2 NVMe in connector and speed. Once done, backup data and gather tools, enclosure, USB cable, screwdriver, anti-static pad. Make sure the computer is off and you're grounded so you don't damage the drive. Now open the enclosure and orient the SSD to the connector. This first physical connection is key to avoid bent pins or misalignment. Once the SSD is seated in the enclosure, secure it with screws or the supplied clip so it won't shift. A loose drive can lose contact and fail. Close the case, attach the supplied USB cable, and plug into a USB 3.0 or USB-C port to get full speed. On your computer, initialize the disk if prompted, create a partition, and choose a file system. XFAT for Mac and Windows compatibility, or NTFS for Windows-only use. Because proper formatting makes you finish by testing the drive. Copy a large file to measure real transfer speeds and run a smart check to verify health. Make sure to enable trim in the OS if your enclosure and drive support it, because trim maintains SSD performance over time. Then label the drive and eject safely before unplugging. If the drive isn't recognized, try a different cable or USB port, update enclosure firmware, or test the SSD in another enclosure to isolate compatibility or power issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.